It's me, Maddie, and right now I'm going on a bike ride with. Now I'm gonna go bike riding with my mom. We both have new bikes. Mom got a beach cruiser and I got a mountain cruiser. Gosh. Okay, let me get it on. Wait, did you get the clicker? Okay. Well, I'm gonna get on my bike. I like bike riding with my mom because, well, we haven't ridden bikes in a long time. Sometimes we just go on a walk or something. Right now she's still in the driveway. I'm like right by her house right now, so yeah. Huh? What'd you say? I'm just gonna wait for my mom because she is slow. Waiting. Hey, we're riding bikes. The tide is high. Okay, so we love bikes. We like biking in this household. Mom, what you doing? Okay. Your bike looks cool. You good? Yes, we're going. Boom. Let's go. Why? I can hold this thing up.
What?
I can hold it up. And I can put it in my basket. I won't hit the cars. We are bike riding. Yay.
You just follow this car. Go.
Follow it? Why? You have the clicker.
Yeah, but we'll open the other side. We can just go up this side.
Well, where are we going?
I'm following you. So.
Oh, okay. Okay, so now we're following this car. And my mom is following me now. So, yay. Where can we go? There's not a cross. Oh, yes, there is. There. This is good. There's a crosswalk right here. All right, we're on the sidewalk now. Here's stuff. So, what should I make this video about? Okay, so we're just making a video about riding bikes. So I guess we're gonna be doing my daily routine, but this is part 1, so yeah. Now me and my mom are going on a bike ride because we're doing exercise, and Mom got her new beach cruiser back there. Is that a beach cruiser or a mountain cruiser? What type is this one? I don't know. Oh, okay. So we both got beach. Well, we're not gonna go on the beach to try it out. Hey Mom, what movie were we going to see today?
What movie are we going to see?
You're
funny.
I know. Yay. Okay, so there are some dojis up here. I'm gonna film the.
Watch the people behind you.
I will. So there are some dojis up here, and I guess I'll just. Sure. I'm going as fast as I can.
Thank you.
Doji.
Of course. You too.
They're the dojis. They were cute dojis too. My My face looks tanner than usual.
Safe.
Huh?
Safe.
Yep.
Did you even look?
I looked, and there's no one coming. Alright. So, usually I have stuff to talk about, so today I don't. So now I'm going to do it story time while riding my bike. I've never done that type of story. I've never... Oh my god, there's a... Ew. Please be dead. It's gone. I hate it when bugs use my arms as a stand. Okay, so story time. Okay, I'm gonna think of a story now. Mom, think of a story that happened to me that I remember.
What?
Tell me a story that I was doing something when I was a baby or something.
You tell me a story. You're the better storyteller.
Okay.
Or sing me a song.
No. Okay, fine. I'll sing a song. What song? Okay, so I guess I'm gonna sing a Hamilton song now. But the question is, what song? Okay, the song I'm gonna, Okay, so the song I'm gonna sing right now is, I'm only gonna sing a little bit of it, but I'm gonna sing a little bit of Aaron Burr. So let's try that. I'm John Lawrence in the place to be. 2 pints of Sam Adams, but I'm working all 3. Those red coats don't want it with me, cause I will these cops. Eh oui, mon ami, je m'appelle Lafayette. The Lancelot of the Revolutionary set. I came from a bad who said bonsoir to the king, cause it's always a shame. I'm done. Okay, so now we're gonna go to Oakleaf Park, which is a park outside of my neighborhood, but not that far, so we're gonna go there. And there's this bike track that I usually take, and it's a pretty good bike track. I like it, so yeah, let's go. Oh my god, I hate it when birds hide in bushes like that. Okay, so it's just a lot of nice flowers and stuff. I'll turn the camera around so you can see. What? Okay. Alrighty. Ooh, there's some nice lavender. Let's go. Alright, ready, Mom? You okay? Do we have to stop?
Yeah, stop up here then.
Alright, in the grass, I'm gonna stop. Alright, I'm gonna go into the grass now. Okay. I almost fell. My head is itchy because of this helmet. My mom's seat just fell down. I'm gonna throw out my gum because bugs are gonna kill me if I don't. So, we're just here. There's my mom, but we're here. My bike is green and white with a tan basket, and